Hello, you are welcome to Mark the Physics Mathematics channel. You are watching me live on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and then share it after enjoying this solution. I'm going to solve a very good question on coordinate geometry. And this is the question. The question reads, the coordinates of 2 points P and Q in a plane are 7, 3 and 5, x respectively, where x is a real number. If line PQ equal to the square root of 29 units, find the value of x. So solution. So in solving this, we are given these points. So let's bring out the coordinates respectively. So our x1 is equal to 7. Our x2 is equal to 5. y1 is equal to, this is y1 is equal to 3, and y2 is equal to x. Now these are the values. So we know that distance PQ is given to us. So we're going to apply the formula in order to solve. So we have the formula as line PQ is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. So that is the formula. Now, to substitute in the values into these equations, we understand that from the equation line PQ also is given to us as the square root of 29. So we are going to substitute them into this formula. So how the square root of 29 is equal to the square root of x2 is 5. So that is 5 minus x1 is 7 minus 7 all square plus y2 is x. So we have x minus y1 is 3 all square. Now, to simplify this one further, let's take the square of both sides. We're taking the square of both sides. We can have the square of 29 square is equal to 5 minus 7 all square plus x minus 3 all square all raised to power 2. So this square will cancel the square root, this will cancel the square root, so you are left with 29 is equal to 5 minus 7 will give us minus 2 square plus 3x minus 3 x minus 3 all square. We have 29 is equal to minus 2 square will give us 4 plus, now let's expand this, and by expansion let's expand minus x minus 3 all square. We have x minus 3 all square is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 3. Now x times x will give us x squared. X times minus 3x will give us minus 3x. Then minus 3 times x will give us minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 3 will give us plus 9. So this will be equal to x squared minus 3 plus minus 3 will give us minus 6x plus 9. So having this, we can now substitute them into this. So bringing this one here, we have x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now we can have a quadratic equation here. Since the highest power of x is 2. So having a quadratic equation, we can rearrange this. And by rearranging, we can have 29 is equal to x squared. 4 plus 9 will give us 13. So we have plus minus 6x plus 13. Now, moving this 29 to this side, we have x squared minus 6x plus 13 minus 29 all equal to 0. Now, our x squared minus 6x minus 29 minus 13 or 30 plus 13 minus 29 will give us 9 minus 3 will give us 6 and 1 minus this will give us 1. So that is minus 16 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation there to solve. By solving these quadratic equations, what are the numbers that can multiply to give us minus 16, and when they will add, they will give us minus 6. So we have 2 times 8 can give us 16. So if we have minus 2 times minus 8, it will give us plus 16. So it means that one of them will be positive. So we can have plus 2 times minus 8, and that will give us 16 minus 16, and we'll add this one will give us minus 6. So now we have x squared minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we can simplify this one further by grouping. When you group this and you group this, you can take out the common factor. So this is 8x squared and this is 8x. So what is common to both of them is x. So we have x into x divided by x. X squared divided by x will give us x. 8 minus 8 x divided by x will give us 8. Now coming here, the common factor is 2 can go into 16. So 2 is a common factor there. So we have plus 2 into 2x divided by 2 will give us x. Then minus 16 divided by 2 will give us minus 8, all equal to 0. Now we have this and this as common factor. So taking the common factor out, we have x minus 8 squared into this and this are the same. So we have x plus 2, all equal to 0. So by expression, we can have x minus 8 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, x now will be equal to, taking this minus 8 to the other side of the equation, we can have the positive sign, the negative sign changes to positive, so we have equal to 8. Or, from this side now we have x, taking plus 2 to the other side of the equation, it becomes negative, so we have is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the values of x in this question are minus 2 or minus 8. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 or 8. I hope you enjoyed this solution, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it. See you next time. Bye.